Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the project now. Open Android Studio, select New Project, and pick Empty Activity so you have a minimal template. Choose Kotlin or Java based on your preference. I recommend Kotlin for new apps. Enter the package name, project location, and minimum SDK. Make sure to target a device API that matches your phone or emulator. Once done, click Finish and let Gradle sync. This downloads dependencies and builds the initial app structure for you to edit. Now edit the user interface and link it to your code. Open res/layout/activity-main. XML, replace placeholder UI with a text view and give it an ID like at +ID/hello text so you can reference it. In main activity, call set content view R. Layout. Activity main and use find view by ID to obtain the text view reference. This lets you change text at runtime. Make sure imports resolve and that you use the correct synthetic or view binding approach, because bindings affect how you reference views and avoid null pointer crashes. Finish by deploying and verifying the app on a device. Start an emulator or plug in your Android phone with USB debugging enabled, then click Run and choose the target. Watch the Run window and Logcat for startup messages. They tell you if resources failed or if an exception occurred. If the app crashes, pause and inspect the stack trace. Common fixes include missing permissions, wrong activity names in the manifest, or failed Gradle sync. If needed, rebuild the project and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.